landscape, our homeowners have made a great choice. Our Blue Grande beige cream in a stack bond pattern. That's gonna complement our coping and our fire pit area. This porch is gonna really be the focal point or entranceway to our landscape. It all begins with the protection of the masonry veneer on the home. So we've taped up all the weeps along the foundation wall and then taken it a step further and installed a foam cord. That foam cord is taped temporarily around the foundation wall, and that will make sure that we maintain an air gap between our cut units and that wall. So air and water can circulate. We won't have any problems with our home. Once that's done, we can install our coping. This is our Bullnose Grande unit. We installed it using the FlexLock Ultra Adhesive in the black tube. This material is a polyurethane material. It expands into the pores of the concrete. We use spacers to elevate it. Now, we elevated it because of the height of the slabs that we're using inside here. We could have also used a mortar. If we would have used a mortar, we would have used something like this masonry cord, and we would have installed it below the coping so that water can still escape and no bugs can get in. But with this adhesive, it's really easy. From there, we installed our Gator Fabric, and that is a poly-spun, non-woven geotextile fabric. It extends over the concrete porch and up the sides of our coping. So it keeps our bedding material from migrating into any future cracks in the concrete and keeps our sand from migrating out as water flows out into the environment. Our bedding material, C144 Mason sand. Why did we choose that? We only have a brooming of that material, less than a quarter inch. So washed concrete sand, number 8s, 89s, or number 9 stone, have too large an aggregate and will cause our slabs to rock. We don't want that. So we've laid our slabs on top of that bedding layer, pre-compacted. You can see that it's slightly elevated so that the units are sitting about 1/8 of an inch higher than our coping, so water sheets off into the environment. Now our joint sand, and this is the industry's only overlay specific sand from FlexLock, the FlexLock Ultra. We're gonna use this sand following the directions on the bag, sweeping, wetting, blowing off any excess, and we're gonna get very close to 99% runoff. Any water that does saturate will enter our bedding layer and off into the environment. The only thing we need to do is to consolidate those joints simply by tapping them with a rubber mallet. This porch overlay is really progressing on schedule.